Hello and welcome. Today, Audi Q3, there's a problem with them two top lights, 2015 year, they're not working. Because the top light's not working, they're working the bottom ones. The job is very simple. There's in a boot, there is a sensor down there. You see it? That's the sensor with cable, with green wires, cable. That sensor is reading, is the boot closed or open? So, that cable looks that he's fitted tight, yes? But still, he wasn't tight enough. So, lift up that part, aluminium, that comes off. Just lift by the hand or some kind of small plastic trim, you know, kind of lift up small bit and take off the wire and put them again correctly, you know. Once you fit them, probably lights will be working again. You see, that's the mode choice. The bottom lights and just that small connection, but such a problem. Yeah, some kind of strong tool. Just go behind the small big gasket here. You see? Small lift and all that lift up here, so no need to be removing completely, yeah? And then just press it down once you have your wire done. Job connection and that's it. Very simple job. Anyone could do it. Anyone. Just fix the connection small bit, yes. Thanks for watching.